Today's video, we're going to be covering if you can use velocity banking with a credit card. Most people think you can only do it with a personal line of credit or a home equity line of credit, but we're going to show you that it can be done with a credit card. Let's dive in. So most people think that velocity banking is the most successful by using a personal line of credit or a home equity line of credit. And they're not completely wrong. It is more effective. The reason why it's more effective is because you can funnel your entire amount of income into one spot and have all of your expenses coming out of that same spot. So it is a lot easier to manage. It's a lot less legwork, a lot less managing the different funds and the different expenses. But there are some cases where if you're maxed out on your credit cards, maybe you've missed a couple of payments, your credit score might be suffering, and you just don't qualify for a personal line of credit, or you've tried and the bank has declined you. Maybe the income is not strong enough. So there's a lot of different reasons why getting access to a personal line of credit might not be available to you at this moment in time, but rest assured, you can do it by using a credit card. So let's cover the expenses that can be used to pay off expenses with a credit card. So things like groceries, restaurants, coffee shops, eating out, transit if you take the bus or the subway, gasoline for your car if you drive, monthly subscription services like Netflix or Amazon or gym memberships and all that kind of stuff, parking, cell phone bills, cable bills, car repairs like mechanics, or if you have to get an oil change or change your tires, online purchases like Amazon or whatever other retailers, online retail stores, buying clothes, any kind of shopping. All those things that can add up, that actually takes up the brunt of our monthly costs anyways. So that's all the stuff that can be paid by using a credit card. So if you're doing velocity banking, those are the expenses you want to focus on and managing the monthly income going in and the expenses going out accordingly. Now, what are the items that cannot be paid using a credit card? I think they're the obvious ones. Rent. Landlords usually don't want to take a credit card for rent payments. Mortgage loans, mortgage payments, the bank will definitely not let you take a mortgage payment out of a credit card. Even some banks might not let you take it out of your line of credit either. So you'd have to make sure that the mortgage payment is being funneled into your checking account in order for that payment to come out on time at the scheduled date. Car loan payments, car lease payments, same thing. Car insurance, they usually want to take it directly out of your bank account. And utilities like electricity or heating. Some of these utility companies will allow you to use a credit card, and that's fine. But some utility companies charge you a premium for that, or they'll charge an extra percentage. And there's no point in paying those extra fees when you can just kind of isolate that and not use a credit card paying for it. All in all, what you want to do is make sure that the income that you're making, you're leaving enough in your checking account to manage these other expenses that cannot be paid by using a credit card, like the ones that I just mentioned. And then the rest of it, you can funnel towards isolating it towards a credit card usage for the velocity banking method. I hope you found this information helpful and useful. If you need more information, you can reach out to us at any time. If you feel that somebody can benefit from this information, then if you could please share this video with them, we'd really appreciate it. Also, we'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to our channel, and set up the notifications. It will really help us to get the word out there. We really have a heart to help others and those people struggling with their finances and trying to get everybody to a state of financial peace the way that God intended for us. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. And if you found this information helpful, you can also watch one of these two videos right here. Thanks so much. Have a great one. And if you didn't know, now you know.